scissors. I have scissors right here. Like, LaMonica, you have scissors right here and you're trying to bust this thing open. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonica's Lab. In today's video, I know you guys, I'm super late. I know some of you have been asking me, what did I get for my Boxycharm for the month of July? I know I'm behind, I was out of town and all that jazz, but I am here giving you guys the tea on what I got on my Boxycharm box for the month of July. So if you still like me to do the unboxings of my Boxycharms, then give this video a thumbs up and also comment that down below. But if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You guys, we're only 80 of you away being at 1K. Like, I'm so like, I can't even believe it. I'm just continuously giving content that you guys are requesting, and I appreciate each and every one of you thus far. So go ahead and share this video so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. I know it sounds like a low number, but it is really like surreal. So I just appreciate each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel thus far. And yeah, so enough of the mushiness. If you want to see what I got in my monthly Boxycharm subscription box for the month of July, then keep on watching. All right, so I'm gonna open this bad boy up. And if you're new to my channel and you're not sure what Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription beauty box where you get between 5 to 6, up to 6 full-size beauty items and skincare items. And it's just it's like the best subscription box that I've tried. In each box, you do get a card for whatever that month is. And this July month is Boxycharm Road Trippin'. And that is that. So it has everything that is in the box, how much it costs, and the description of what each item is. So anywho, the first thing I see here is the Pharmacy Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask with Green Envy. I don't know what that is, but the bottle looks like this. Now this Pharmacy Beauty Bright On Mask says that watch magic happen as you massage this vitamin C clay mask onto your skin. Turning from purple to green, the Pharmacy Bright On Mask removes impurities and buildup while improving your skin's brightness, texture, and tone. This does retail for $38, you guys. $38. Anything that's gonna brighten my skin and also remove any buildup and impurities, I'm definitely willing to try. So I can't wait to try this out. So that is the first thing I see. Something that I'm seeing that's burgundy in here. All right, Wanda Beauty. This is the Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. I've never tried anything from Wanda Beauty, but I'm so excited to try this. This award-winning Black and Intensity Gloss Mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. I'll be the judge of that. The Unlash Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. So, never seen a mascara in a packaging like this. It almost looks like a lip gloss or something, but retails for $24. So I'm willing to try this out. And like I said, if it says literally on the paper, I'll be the judge of the lengthening, voluming, and conditioning of my lashes. All right, and I see this cute little black box. It is the Note, it's called Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with Argan Oil. I have it in the shade 05 Desert Rose. Packaging is cute. It comes with this little mirror. This is what the shade looks like. Now this Luminous Silk Compact Blusher is designed to work for all skin types. This luminous paraben-free, it's paraben-free, blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. Perfect for the charmer on the go, and this retails for $11.99. So it has a little, it does have a little brush here. So the little brush is down here. Of course I wouldn't use this brush, but I'm gonna swatch this shade because it does look intriguing to see. It does feel nice, and that's what it looks like when I blend it out. Yeah, definitely a everyday, like, natural matte orangey shade. Perfect for all skin tones if you ask me. Next thing I see is this white tube. It's called Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. Never heard of this brand. But one side has a brush, and the other side, okay, so you're supposed to put the brush into this part. Let's read on this because I don't know what this is. Eyebrow cream Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. Let's try this. It's like a powder. Oh wow. I've never used anything like this. I hope you guys can see it. So you dip the brush into this powder, and then you should be able to draw any type of line that you want. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. So this is the Chella Beauty. It retails for $26. The packaging looks like this. This is interesting. I never tried anything like this before, so we will see. It doesn't have the shade, so I'm assuming that it's a universal shade. It'll probably like adhere to whatever your brow shade is. It'll get to that shade. I'm not sure, but I'll keep you guys posted on that particular brow product. Again, that's the Chella Beauty eyebrow cream. And the last thing I see in this box was pretty quick. Oh man, it's almost over. So I have scissors right here. Like LaMonica, you have scissors right here and you're trying to bust this thing open. All right, so this is super cute and sleek packaging by Crown Beauty, or Crown Brush, I should say. Crown Brush. It's the Fuego eyeshadow collection. Listen, don't roast me in the comments, okay? It's been a long day, and I'm just super excited to get these videos out for you guys. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. And then it comes with this beautiful mirror. And then look at these colors. So this is a Fuego eyeshadow collection by Crown Brush. And it's made up of rich, warm tone shadows or shades. This creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all of your glam #goals. Sorry, I couldn't get that out. This retails for $29.99, you guys. So just this one thing is more than this entire bundle deal. So look at these shadows. I'm definitely about to swatch some of the shadows, like seriously. This is calling my name. This shade right here, it doesn't have the shades listed or anything or named. I must have, I dug my nail in this one. Whoa, you guys, these are so creamy and buttery. Okay, Crown. I'm gonna try this brown. You guys. Okay, let me try a matte. This is the matte. You guys, can you see that? I hope you guys can see it on my arm because I don't have any room on my hand. Do you guys see these colors? Oh my gosh. Yes, this is definitely a palette that you can use like on a daily basis and create so many looks. So give this video a thumbs up, and I will create a look using this palette in the July Boxycharm palette. So I didn't swatch all of them, just a few of them, but again, this does retail for $29.99 and is the Crown Brush Fuego eyeshadow collection. Wow, this is really nice. I would have to say this is probably my favorite that I was able to physically touch out of the entire Boxycharm for the month of July. I don't think there's anything else in here. Nope. So comment down below if you received your Boxycharm for the month of July already. Did you get the same items or did you get something a bit different? Let me know down below. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to the family so we can keep on going and going past this journey, and I'll get more videos out for you guys. But nevertheless, that is everything I wanted to show you guys in my month of July Boxycharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.